What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I still have my setup from the last video because it's time for Toya to address her mistakes. Yeah. In Random Doll Stuff 21, I totally put the label on the wrong side. This is the side that goes into the VCR, so I should have put the label on that side. And I didn't go over Sugar's daddy Ken's articulation. It's the same as this guy, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Sorry about that. Making mistakes is the worst. But honestly, I do it all the time. You know, being human and all. So today, I'm going to take a little break and do one of my favorite things. Open Mini Brands. This is the 4-pack from Target, normally priced around $32. Well, $32.99, making them about $8.25 per capsule. When I buy them one at a time, I normally pay $8.49, so it is a deal to go with the 4-pack. But today, Target had 25% off one toy, which brought the price down to about $6.19 per capsule. And then my mom helped me to get this one. This is Series 5. It was priced at $29.99, and with the discount, it comes out to be about $5.62 each. I am all for finding a deal. My Series 2 Foodie Mini Brands has the date 2023 July 18th, and my Series 5 Mini Brands is 2023 June 29th. The ones that I bought when they first came out say 2023 March 28th. I totally did not find all the ones I was looking for. Let's quickly open this one and see if they've been in my room the whole time. I want the hot glue gun. And of course, more Frozen Moments minis. This is ramen. I think we got a lot of ramen last time. And this is Banana Boat Baby. Okay, we can put this in our little nursery for baby Starla. I got a box of cornflakes, light cherry limeade. It's pink. And the last one is a gold Tabasco sauce. Still no hot glue gun. Let's try these. I am opening my first one out of the 4-pack for Mini Brands Series 5. We are hoping to find the hot glue gun. This is Campbell's Chunky Beef with Vegetables. Bag number 2 is a large red nail polish. Of course, this is going to my Smart Dolls. Bag number 3. Oh gosh. It's those little chocolate fudge cream-filled wafer things. We have several of these. I just want the hot glue gun. And this is noodles. Yep, our first double of the day. This is the last bag for capsule number 1, and we have the heart Post-it notes. I have so many of these already. Yep. Let's switch over to Series 2 Foodie Mini Brands. Here, I want more Frozen Moments and drinks. Oh, and that, and pretzels. Yes, we need pretzels. Our first one is the Buttery Jack from Jack in the Box. I always have to slow down to remember how to say that. Okay, and then we have Tiny Tacos, also from Jack in the Box. And we have a sub. Yay! A sub from Subway. Looks like a steak and cheese. Then we have Cinnabon. This one looks like it has caramel and pecans. Do you say pecan or pecan? This is flat. Whatever it is, it appears to be pizza. Looks like a Meat Lovers. Can I get one with pineapples and olives, please? Removing the plastic from each capsule one at a time takes forever. So I removed them all from our last 6 capsules. Now I don't know which ones are Foodie Mini Brands and which ones are Series 5. I guess it just all adds to the surprise. This is Series 5, which means we are looking for the hot glue gun. That is Bazooka Bubblegum. See, let's try again. This time we have beef broth, which is just a box. And this one is candy, which is a little bag with foam inside. And then we got tape. I love the office supplies, but it's still not a hot glue gun. This is a Frozen Moment Mini, sour cream Pringles. Next, let's go with this one. Is it Series 5 or Foodie? Foodie Mini Brands. Let's see what we got. It looks like a drink from Jack in the Box. I want to say that's a new one for me. And this is Jack in the Box pancakes. Okay, I like those. This feels like another drink, which I am okay with. And we have Auntie Anne's regular lemonade. Now we just need pretzels. Do you say auntie or auntie? This one also feels like a drink. Wow. 3 drinks in 1 capsule? Yep. This one is from Cinnabon. Well, I did say I wanted drinks, so here we have another drink. And that makes 4. 4 drinks. Mwah-ah. Sorry, I went to the pop-up museum and it's just bringing back all the memories. But this is an important lesson in being careful what you ask for. Let's go with this one. Foodie Mini Brands or Series 5 Mini Brands? Series 5. The first mini is more tape. Why is it so difficult to find the hot glue gun? Here we have Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetables. In our third bag, we find cereal. Fruit Loops. It's a box. In bag number 4, more of those chocolate wafers. Please be a hot glue gun. Please be a hot glue gun. Is that ramen? Yes. It's my third one. We are down to just 3 capsules. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this one. It's a Foodie Mini Brands with a drink. What a surprise. Let's switch it up and get some pretzels. All right, this is Pizza Hut, the big dinner box. And I can remove everything. Personally, I would love it if all the food items were removable. On to the next. Speaking of being removable, we can take the plate out. Cool. And this is something from Jack in the Box. It's another buttery Jack. And our last one for this capsule is another drink and a double. We are down to our last 2 capsules. This one is a Series 5. Come on. There we go. Which has Pringles? Yep, Pringles. Original. I'm really hoping we find the hot glue gun. This is another can of chunky soup. I think we're good on the chunky soup. And watch this be candy. Yes, it's candy. Well, I guess we can give out full bags of candy in the Miniverse this Halloween. Or we can add it to our new pink theater that we made for Barbie the movie. Along with this drink, Fanta Zero Sugar Orange. This is my last Mini Brand Series 5 bag, I think. So it's my last chance to get the hot glue gun. And we got a box. Another box of Swanson beef broth. Our last capsule. And I think this is a Foodie Mini Brands capsule. Yep, it is. With another one of those little removable plates. I want to say this is a tray. Yeah, it is. We have a black Foodie Mini Brands tray. And this one is another
Buttery? Jack? Like, really? Is this just me, or are all of you experiencing this too?
Why are there so many?
Sorry. I'm calm now. Here we have... Is this another double?
Yes, it is.
Which brings us to our very last one. Hopefully it is something new. Is it? No. Oh wait, it is. It's a different flavor. So we didn't find everything we were looking for. But I think I have a way to use this by making a quick frozen moment mini. I have a little Barbie pot here, and I'm gonna trace it onto a piece of white paper. To get a circle, I place my silicone mat on top, then make a circle of hot glue. And we're gonna just fill that in. Then I make a line of hot glue, and we're gonna let that dry. I cut another glue stick into smaller pieces, carefully peel up the circle, glue the cut pieces underneath to add a little height. I take the line of glue and we're gonna flip it over and add more glue to the other side. I make a small hole in the top of the box, place the glue inside, then glue the other end onto the circle. Mix a little washable brown marker with Mod Podge, paint the visible parts of the glue. Once it dries, it'll look like we're pouring beef broth into a pot, giving us a one-of-a-kind frozen moment mini. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few mini brands. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.